So we're out here today on the pond. The ice is a little bit thin. It's really nasty ice. We're gonna get out to that snow out there. It's a lot thicker and less mushy out there, so I'm gonna set up there, drill some holes, and then probably put out 1 or 2 tip ups so I can catch some small gills. Go for some bass or whatever. So we'll see what happens. Alright, here we go. Finally getting set up here. This will be first drop down. It's about 6 foot of water, 6.5 foot of water. Just gonna use, I don't know if you can see that, just a little tungsten jig, tipped with the wax worm. Not looking fantastic for fish here. Here we go. Well, not huge again, but fish is fish, right? Oh, there's a nice crappie there. Not huge, but it's fish. Just was moving around a little bit, see if I could find a fish. And there you go. I don't know, 6-7 inch crappie. Nothing special. Oh, there we go. There's a good fish. Oh man, look at that perch. That is a nice perch right there. Wow, that is a good perch. Check this out. That is a really good perch right there. I'd say he's probably close to 12 inches. We'll let him go here and go back down there because it looks like there's another one. Alright, I think I'm calling it quits for today. Yeah, no tip ups or nothing went off, but oh well, it wasn't too bad of a day. Caught a few nice fish. Anyways, guess I'm gonna go clean up.